The candle time and spread indicator, which is a highly valuable and incredibly useful tool offered for various trading platforms on the comprehensive Tradingfinder website. Traders can conveniently download the essential indicator file for both the widely used MetaTrader 4 and the advanced MetaTrader 5 platforms from this dedicated section. Furthermore, they can also thoroughly read this informative page to gain a deeper understanding about the indicator's extensive functionality and precisely how it effectively works within the trading environment. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and run the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Once the indicator is placed on the chart, a panel appears at the top of the chart that displays two modes for us here, spread and next bar. The candle time and spread indicator is a truly special and incredibly practical tool, specifically designed for dedicated technical analysis and astute price action traders. This powerful indicator allows them to effortlessly and accurately check the current spread of the trading symbol, along with the precise remaining time until the current candle completely closes in this particular section of the chart. And we can also easily switch between different time frames. We can easily view the comprehensive spread and the precise time for each individual time frame right here on this display. Within the Comprehensive Settings section, specifically located under the Input category, you will find that there are precisely two distinct options readily available for your customization. Focusing on the very first Input option, we are presented with the capability to effortlessly modify the label color to virtually any hue or shade that you might prefer or desire. For this particular demonstration, I am deliberately and carefully selecting the color black, ensuring a clear and visible contrast for our purposes. And in the second input, we can set the position and placement of the panel display to our preferred location. As you can see, there are indeed 4 distinct options presented here for your selection, specifically the left upper position, the right upper position, the left lower position, and the right lower position. For this particular demonstration, I am carefully choosing the right lower option from the available choices and then proceeding to click the confirm button. This action, once executed, effectively moves and repositions the entire panel to its designated new location in the lower right section of the interface, ensuring it is precisely where we want it to be. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be absolutely delighted if you could take a moment to share your valuable comments and insightful suggestions with us in the dedicated comments section below.